Yeah, guys, I don't know what happened. I left my passport. By the time I'm gonna reach back, it's gonna be too late. So miss my flight.
Sorry.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Morning, well, guys. Blessed love. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. Hey guys, guess what? Today is another day. A day like Sean a day. You know, like Sean hour. You know, today is a departure day as well for the Mwango. You know, she's heading out to the Caribbeans. You know, make a couple of trips, and you know the thing goes already. She have to continue on her travel, you know, because that's what she does best. So yes, guys. So remember, you know, I want to thank her same way, welcome her same way to our country. You know, thank her to visit our country again once more, for the country, the land that she loved, where she called Jamaica her second home. You know, second or first home. I don't know which one. She'll have to tell you that one. Yes, but yes, so today she will be leaving, you know, for now. Okay, you know, she will return back soon, you know, because Jamaica got that tie on her. Yes, so I'm gonna head down to Trenchtown now to pick her up, to take her, to give her a lift to the airport, you know. So I'm just on my way now, you know, heading down there. So hope you guys having a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, and I thank you guys for putting the thumbs up each and every time, and I thank all my subscribers, you know, and all the one that's returning back as well too. Thank you so much, you know, for each and everyone that support my charity program also, you know, because you know we're here building the Wow Chef project. You know, we're thanking you so much for supporting us, each and everyone. You know yourself that give a helping hand to help out the needy and the less fortunate in Trenchtown. You know, so today is that day. You know, I don't know how sad it's gonna be for Dee to leave again once more, but you know she'll return again more and more. You know, so it's just one of those days where the journey always have to continue from one destination to another. You know, that's how it is in life. You know, we keep on moving on same way. We keep on moving on. So guys, I'm gonna keep you posted, you know, keep you up to date on that. So I'm just here in 3 Mile. You know, it's early in the morning here, so I'm just here in 3 Mile. I'm gonna get myself some gas, you know, some gas in my tank. You know, as you can see guys, it's them type of morning. I was sleepy, you can hear it in the voice, you know. So I work in the day, work in the night, sleep in the day. You hear that? So I'm always working. Sometimes I wonder where do I find time to go and sleep, but that's how it always is. You know, when the work have to put in, the work have to put in. You know, you cannot be lazy. You cannot sit down and wait for anything to drop right next to your feet. No, it doesn't work like that. So the work have to continue. Driver drive now, where you stop at all for. You hear them say, driver, don't stop at all. This driver stop at the green light. You know. Alright, so let me pull into this gas station, which is the Texaco. Yes guys, so I just got my gas, so I'm out the gas station on the journey now. So yeah, so I just got loaded up now, so I'm heading out. As you can see, it's a beautiful morning here in Jamaica. sun shining bright and nice. That's how it is. So bright, so nice here in the morning here in Jamaica, you know. So tell me, what's the weather like where you are? Is it raining? Is it overcast? Is it snowing? Or is it sunny? Which is it? Just let me know in the comment section. So if you're short of some sun, I'm gonna send you some sun right now as you're watching. Here is some sunshine. That is the sun. So tell me how that feel. Tell me how that feel. Shrako. This guy, so I'm here in Charlestown. So I know the must be ready from hours ago. So I'm here now. Hey.
Okay, oh God, go with you.
I'm flying out today.
Goodbye, mommy.
Bye, darling.
Soon be back.
You soon be back?
Yeah.
Soon. Okay, okay.
Soon.
Yes, darling.
Mommy, let's keep you. See you soon, eh?
Yes, darling.
Alright then. So D.
I'm leaving my favorite. Alright, guys, you know what time it is. I feel so bad.
Hey D.
I'm leaving French town. And where I'm going, I don't know if I'll find another.
Wow. Oh my days, my manual thing pop off.
There's no, my friend is not here.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
What is his name?
Run out of bread.
Run out of bread?
Yeah.
That is his name?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's now time to join Liverpool. You know what time
Hey,
it is.
stop it.
You know what time it is. You
You
see,
know-
it's just broke.
Because of
You
what?
know what time it is. It's
Because of your
Liverpool time.
suitcase. You see? Wish. No, that is your suitcase. This is mine. Stop lie, guys.
Time to go.
Time to go. You know when
That
you
will
see
be
me.
your title of the video, guys. Time
Time to go, guys. Time to go. Right? I need a pose. The last time I give them one. So
Guys, time to hit the road. Okay, this is
Yeah.
for Kino's video.
yeah.
All right.
So get your suitcase.
We need to hurry up.
Yeah. All yours. So you know that we are going.
Time to go.
Come inside. She would like you.
You just.
Alright guys, yes.
Time to go.
Time to go guys. You know what it go. Time to go. Hello. Well, greetings. See you next. Yeah, me I go away. You know the thing go. What size you wear?
8.5.
8.5. Joshua, what size you wear? 10. Oh gosh. Look boy. What you doing?
Kino is size 15.
Baby wear 8.
8, you are lucky.
So baby could be my
You
type.
at least want 10
Chef
and
wear
above.
size 10 and 11.
I like Kina because Kina don't know what size me wear.
Exactly, but baby, if baby now wear size 11, she can't be my type. Right,
Then
baby?
your type then come in now wear 11.
Alright, so that is
But
it.
you may nearly be your type.
Nearly.
I got 10.
Hey! So baby wear 10. Hey! Guys, baby wear 10. She wear 10.
Oh, guys, let's go.
Alright, so. Alright guys, so we here at the airport. Guys, I don't know if I'm I'm nervous about my flight, guys. I don't know why I'm so nervous about my flight. I'm nervous about leaving Jamaica today, so I probably have to leave another day, right? Guys, I was so nervous about leaving Jamaica today, so I guess I probably have to leave another day. Not today. Where's my car key? See? Nervous, leave out my car key.
In the car?
No, leave it back in Trenchtown.
No, sir. And what is that was falling off Manchester United key?
It's off the car key. You see? You even messed up my car key. Look, I'm gonna fix it back. Messed up my car key. So guys,
you know what time it is. Guys, we are at the airport. I want to make some good reels. Please follow me on Instagram. Don't miss out the reels.
so guys, you see the foot moving fast because she's late. Late. That's what happened when you're late. You have to be running at the airport. Then she want to make her reels. She want to take photos. Let me see how much she can do in this short space of time. You walk in the same direction Shauna walk. Straight over. Just go through there. Look, lift it up through there. You can't lift it up. It's strong, yeah. Just lift it.
No, it's not heavy. This is
not-
the heavy one.
Yeah, it's not heavy. Let's go. Yes guys, so we're running a bit late.
Guess who's boarding business class?
So she's the business lady, so
I'm telling you.
Choose.
That is a manifestation that I put for myself. The 2024 henceforth, business class, nothing less.
yeah. So guys, so we're leaving on the next plane. Town.
Welcome. What's the name of your airport, Gino?
Norman Manley International
Norman Manley.
Airport.
That's it. So, let's go and check in. Hey, I'm going to miss Jamaica, but I'll be back.
Let's see.
I want to do reels. I want to do everything.
Guys, she want to do reels. She want to take photo. She want to do this. In the short space of time what she have left. Plus she have to check in. So she want food. She want smoothie. She want so many stuff.
If you're always in a rush when you need it, if you like me, let me know. But that is me all the time. There's no day that I've been traveling without being in a rush. I'm always like,
Running. Always in a rush. Let's see today. So I guess they're not gonna do the reels then. Right?
in here.
So that means you're not gonna do the reels.
From the departure. Let me check in, then I come do the reels from the departure place, okay?
Alright,
Let's go, let's go.
carry. I think it's over this side. Where the Caribbean ones is.
Guys, welcome to Norman Manley. It feels so good. I feel so good because home I'll be here. Otherwise I could be crying. Tears in my eyes.
Right. At least it's not full. Look, there is it. It's not full, so you're good. Yeah.
Hey, and it's business class, guys.
Business.
You know what? You can do it.
Yes, come on, you can do it. Come this side. Come here. Okay? Here's one over here, D. Yes, she's empty.
Now I have cards.
Ask her. That one in the blue. Is she empty? Psst. Empty?
That's how you do it.
Yes, go on. Yeah, of course. Of course. Hello. D, where's my passport? Oh,
Your passport. Let's check the passport. The passport.
where's my passport? You got my passport?
Guys, the biggest air passports.
Where's mine? Where's mine? Guys, it's like I left my passport. Oh my days. What are you talking about? Visa?
Even if we need visa for Cayman.
Oh. Cross fingers.
Because normally, like with what?
Guys, we're crossing fingers to see if she don't need visa to go to the Cayman Islands.
But I don't really think I'm sure about that.
Wow. But did you check though, right?
Yeah, I checked 100%.
It's gonna be okay. She's checking guys. It's gonna be a complete finger cross, finger cross, finger cross, finger cross.
You know, sometimes it's funny, you know.
Hey. Yeah.
Let me connect to the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, you got free Wi-Fi in here. Looks like it's okay. Okay? See.
Hey, yes, I don't need no visa as Kenyans to go to Cayman.
So what about Jamaica? We need visa?
Of course.
Since when?
I worked in here 30 years now.
30 years.
More than that.
So how come we're so close?
Your neighbors, they
And we're
still
neighbors
need it.
and we need it.
That is so unfair. They don't like us.
They don't like us.
But it's not okay. When you're neighboring countries, you don't need it normally. But look at me. from
Exactly.
Africa to-
And she don't need it.
From here. Yeah, and I was just saying it to my mind, said, boy, it's unfair.
Alright. It's unfair. You been there already?
Of course, because we have to be airline.
It's worth
Such a beautiful country, right? Yeah, it's nice. Beaches are nice. Hey. Expensive, but it's okay. Yeah. Very hot.
Because it's closer. It's
Very
closer
hot.
to the shore.
Check it out. Yeah. But I love Jamaica more. Jamaica is my home. Jamaica is my home.
That's a carry.
Yeah, I'm just going to visit for a week back in Jamaica. Okay. Going back, checking out.
Yeah.
That is it. This is carry on. No liquids are gel in them.
Liquids are gel.
Items. I think I remove. Let me counter check if there is. I should put it here, but I don't think so. Today I was so keen because last time from London it was really a problem.
Yeah. So how easy it is to get the Cayman visa?
You would have to go to the visa embassy and fill out the necessary application and wait until it's processed, and then if it's processed they can wait to see if it's good. Less than the 3 ounces?
No, they're
Small ones.
They're just small ones.
Put it in.
Hey, even the perfume. Oh. Then I have to put in even. Okay, these ones are small. You know. Hey, this is too much.
Open the suitcase.
Like this. Look.
Yeah.
Information for customers, checks in on American Airlines
Open that.
China Airport also certain checkpoints, so make your way to gate number 9.
Because we're such close to Cayman and we have to use visa. Yeah, come on Cayman, we do it better. Can't
Welcome to
believe
the
it.
Norman Matthews International Airport.
Hey, I've forgotten the password because of excitement.
What?
All bags left unattended will
Or I
be
can just check in with it too.
You need to remember your password.
I will remember forward.
Let's try and remember. Go on. Close it. Time. Come sign.
So I
Sign.
said, you sure you tell her to come on here and to see? I said, let me call because I know they can't go. I have came from here in a boat and finally I do swim, but I just don't know to explain myself properly. So when I called the officer saying yes, she has not seen.
So how long usually is the process for the visa for the Jamaica?
It can take up to a month.
A month?
Depends on how many persons there is.
Just me.
Imagine, it depends on how many visas they might have to process.
Oh, you know why? Because they're under the same to the Queen country as well. Cayman Islands, Queen country.
Oh yeah, controlled by England.
That's why.
Yeah, controlled by England.
That is why. Because Cayman is controlled by England and, you know.
Then go to the gate.
Thank you, you're the best.
Bye.
Thank you, bye. Hey, they're checking in. Okay, let's go.
Oh. Well. Guys, D is going now. She's gonna be checking out.
I'm checking out.
We are checking out, but guess
Wait
what?
for you to come for me back.
Guys, I left my passport. Yeah, so if I go back and come back, I'm gonna miss my flight. You know, someone said to me, Kina, you're the only one that wear a hat like this in Jamaica. I never see no one wear them hat like this. Is it true? I don't know, it just come natural.
He forgot his passport.
Yes. Guys, I forgot my passport. Say by the time I go get it and come back, I'm gonna miss the flight. So I'll just wait on the next flight, right?
That's it.
Yes, guys. I'll just wait on the next flight because it doesn't make any sense right now.
Then I rush.
Eh?
I'm rushing now.
Alright, I'm done. Big up, man. Respect, man.
Canadians still, you know. They're promoting enough.
Thank
Yeah?
you.
Respect, man. Respect. Respect.
And about 400 people sign up, you know.
Yeah?
Hey, wow.
Oh, a radio station?
Radio station and also.
You're the best.
A few people saying there's gonna be a wedding or something. You know, a few people saying.
Wedding, where?
Hey.
Rasta man, I get jealous, but
The-
So funny.
They've been saying that for the longest while. They've been saying that.
Keen.
Which wedding?
Our subscribers are the best. When we meet them, it's always the best vibe ever.
I'm telling
It's
you.
something else. It feels so good.
The Mario said, hear the bell ringing.
Guys, you know what time it is. But today I'm really happy and excited because I know anytime I want to be back home, I'll be back home. Anytime I feel like it.
Of course.
Weekend first.
So guys, I left my passport, but I'm gonna try see if I can check in same way, you know, if I can board the flight. As I can see, I'm at departure. Trying to see if I can depart without passport, you know, like L.A. Lewis. I depart, I fly without passport. I use my driver's license to fly.
But Kina, do you see how it's easy like traveling in Jamaica? Can you just see how the checking out and checking in is always easy?
Okay.
Big up to my Jamaican thieves. Keep up the good job. No harassment, no nothing.
Nothing.
Honestly, not even in my own country when I want to leave, it's smooth like this.
No.
It's something else. Where's the return tickets? Where's the tickets going back home? Wait. Jamaica, I love you so much. Thank you so much.
Jamaica is a smooth operator.
Very, very. Honestly, on a serious note,
Yeah.
not even
Very
home
smooth.
I can live like this.
I know.
Yeah.
Cannot. That's why we have to love our
Even coming
country.
in quick and fast.
Quick and
You know how
fast.
it normally is.
Yeah.
No harassment, no. In fact, they
Nothing.
tell you welcome and everything.
Of course. Look at me going around. I'm gonna depart, guys. Look, departure. I'm departing. Yes. Guys, I don't know what happened. I left my passport. By the time I'm gonna reach back, it's gonna be too late. So miss my flight.
Sorry.
So I'm gonna try same way, right? I'm trying.
Boarding without the passport. Another thing, not any other airport I've ever been to where people have freedom to come inside like Jamaica. Never. When I say only in Jamaica, I really mean it. Only in Jamaica.
Only.
Yeah. Not even in England, you know?
Jamaica is the place to be. Alright.
Alright guys, I'm on the queue. Thank you so much to my favorite country, Jamaica. The check-in, the check-out, everything is going so smooth. Now can I leave it? And I need to go through there.
Once more again. Bye-bye.
That is it. Alright. Nice. See ya.
See ya. See you later. See.
I want to catch my dino so we can be on the episode together.
Yeah, man, we're on it together, man. Yeah, man, you're on it together, man. So in this episode together.
Okay.
I wonder how it just sounded.
Just like that. Alright, yeah, gentlemen. Yeah, man, big up.
Instructed on marketing on squad 1400 to Miami. Today we have available flights on the
Yes, guys, so they have just got checked into departure. So I'll be on the next flight. You know, I'll be on the next flight. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, you know, for today's. I want to thank the. Anyway, within no time, we're back again together. Within no time, right? Place is nice and bright. Look how pretty the Caribbean is when the sun is shining so bright and nice. Look at this. The place is just so beautiful when the sun is shining so bright and nice. So you know, for Jamaican to go to the Cayman, if you're thinking to go to Cayman Island and you're from Jamaica, you know, you need to get your visa also. So you know, also Cayman Island is ruled under the British same way. So you know, it's visa for Cayman, visa for England same way. So it's not visa free, you know. It's not visa free at all. And I imagine we are so close. We are neighbors. Just like an hour and 15 minutes on the flight to Cayman. So close. Any visa. Alright. Where did I park my Lamborghini again? Oh, over there. So that is it, guys. That is it. So I'm gonna head back home, chill out, and guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please give the video a like. You know, there's too much of you watching and you haven't put the thumbs up. I would thank each and every one that subscribed to Keener Life in Jamaica. And remember, the journey still continues. So stay tuned for my flight next. Who knows? You know, who knows where? Watch the big surprise, right?
A cleaner.
Yeah.
And that's one of their response.
Okay. So well, guys, I'm here passing by. What do you call this show?
This is Port Royal Street, going.
Port Royal Street.
Yeah.
Right, heading into town.
Right.
Yeah, because as you can see, I was coming from the airport. I was stopped by because I've seen this pollution that's going on here. So I don't really have the full understanding what cost is, so I got someone here as well to also have a better idea of what's going on and what's taking place, what can just explain to us what's happening right here.
Right. My understanding is that the Kingston Harbour, as you know, is one of the 7th largest harbours in the world, natural harbours in the world.
Yeah.
And it's constantly being polluted by upstream activities, up in the hills,
Uptown
activities,
yeah.
in the gullies. So in the gullies, and people throw this garbage in the gullies, and they end up now down in the wharf, especially when the rain falls. So what I understand is that Grace Kennedy and some other companies, Port Authority of Jamaica, they try to do something about it. So they create this buffer with this rubber thing that blocks the garbage from getting out into the harbour. And once it gets out in the harbour, then it's even become worse. It's into shipping lanes, it is, and that's all along the mangroves. It's protected area of mangrove, and if those get in there, then it's getting roots of the mangrove. You find that the mangrove may not grow, thrive, and the fish breed in the mangroves. So they are trying their best now to contain this serious environmental issue that shouldn't happen at all. But it tells a lot about our disposal, how we dispose of garbage. And the evidence is right here in front of us. I look forward to when that will change, because Kingston is a beautiful place. And I'm down here as a photographer trying to display the best of Kingston. And this is a part that's not so good about. Not so good about at all. So we're looking forward to see a change. One time, come you know, you see it all clean up. And the birds and the fishing. Fisher folks and the boats and the ships out and sea and the beautiful buildings that's dot the harbour. That's what they want. So I guess the only way to stop is from coming down from where it's coming from the top end. So people believe that throwing things in the gullies, it just disappears. No, it does not disappear. No, it ends up right here. So as you can see, this is the evidence when they throw things in the gully. This is where it comes. You know, so this is literally the evidence of what's going on, and we should do better, you know, by preventing this. Because remember, we need to protect our country, you know, and need to do better, right? So we have recycle for plastic bottles, you know, or if you don't feel like to recycle them, burn them, you know, but don't just throw them in the gully, because when the rain fall and the gully wash down, where do you think it's gonna go? You know, here. And we also thank the Grace Kennedy and whosoever will partner with them to try to make a difference. So it is a step by stopping it from not going out. So the biggest step now is stopping it from coming down. So either they need to find a way to drop some more skid, you know, them big rubbish bin in some areas, or send around regular rubbish trucks, you know, into the inner city areas there, because you know they don't really go into them too often. So you have people find to pile up a lot of rubbish and everything, and them say, you know what, the only way we can get rid of this in the gully. So the government need to do better as well too, by giving them more circulation of the rubbish truck, them to be circling more to get the rubbish them out, right? That's what you think. That's what I believe so, because them don't go to the inner city them too often. You know, it's coming from up. It's not coming from uptown itself like Red Hills and them place, because them place circular regular by trucks and everything. So it must be coming in from the local city where don't really visit it too often. You know, so I think they need to do better, man. Make Jamaica proud, man. Come on, you know. We can do better. Imagine walking along this Port Royal Road and then you buck up on this. You're like, oh, what's this? So sad. After seeing all the beauty coming around, and they come on this sad part, you know. But we cannot turn a blind eye. Sometimes we have to put the word out there and see if they can listen and give a helping hand, because the help is needed very badly, you know, very badly, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Walk along the water lane where Kingston Creatively did a beautiful job of the city with a lot of murals. Over 100 murals up there. Murals, right? And water lane between heading up that side. Down water lane is just down where it was the Swiss stores, where Swiss stores is. Along that spot there. I see a lot of them, but I haven't get a chance to stop there. Don't be stopped. So I need to go and stop there. It's a development, positive development. Right now. Because I see the brick floor and everything. Pedestrianized the walkways. And they have those drop walls, some murals with, and they are local artists. Teams, like the last one is like one downtown. And they're trying to beautify downtown, because over time, violence has caused a problem in the city. True. They are responding with those, with art. They're responding with art. And that makes sense, you know, so I need to go check it out. Check it out, man. So is it the, when I go around this, why is it the first right or the next one? Around past you must pass BOJ building, so. BOJ building? Yes. Okay. Right where, as you pass BOJ building, turn up, that's Duke Street. And as you cross the first stoplight, can you be on one stoplight, turn left, and you can drive right on to all those murals. Okay, so I will just park up and I will just walk. You'll see. You know, you're gonna enjoy it. Alright then, thank you so much for your time as well. Yes guys, as you can see, this side
on this side. So we need to just keep Jamaica more environmental clean, you know. Don't dirty up Jamaica. Look at this water, very nice as well, clean. Look how clear this is. Let's see more. So I need to go check out where it's talking about, where I can see all of that. I know most of you probably see it on other people's videos, vlogs of what it look like, you know. So this is Port Royal Road heading from the airport, and as they can see, we have GP over there as well to heading towards town. So this is where we're going to check it out, you know. So this is the beautiful work that they've been putting in as well too, with the artwork, you know, and our wonderful country. Just need to take more pride and care in our country, you know, and show more love amongst each other. Come on, you see everyone else from other country, especially from Africa, coming here appreciating Jamaica so much, telling us how much they really love Jamaica, you know. So we need to do better as Jamaicans. We definitely need to do better, you know. Make Jamaica peace and love again. Peace and love in our community. Guys, so here's the beautiful downtown. I know you have to see the legend Bob Marley himself. You know, this is all the work that's going on down here. Wow, beautiful. Look at even the ground as well too. So beautiful. I like the way how them do it. So it's go all the way up there. We are Jamaicans, so we need to respect our culture. I'm good, thanks. Yeah, Love City. So this go all the way straight down, as you can see. Guys, I can see it's a long walk all the way down this highway in taking place. You know, murals. So these are the mural artists, as you can see. They've done a fantastic job down here. You know, it's really awesome work them done. A lot of work. Hey. Water lane. Walk the lane from lane to lane. I never ate the bus, but manners, cool. I got a 5 o'clock flight to get on the plane. Leave to over New York, a piece of my bleach. Up on the streets of Jamaica. This is the song I release. Yes, so it's really nice here. You cannot lie. Yeah, it's really nice down here. So I walk the street from lane to lane. I never ate the bus, but I ate the train. Them say catch it at alive. Icon Jimmy Cliff. So the great icon Jimmy Cliff as well too. Can't forget the icon himself, Jimmy Cliff. Legend. Yeah man, so all of this is done on water lane, you know, everything here, this art is on water lane. We do all the mural is on water lane here, you know, all the mural artists and everything done here on water lane. And then go straight across as well too. Some more work I go on here. Artists, you have to do the work here? Yeah. We're looking good. Yeah. Are you do any in here as well too?
Jamaica Islands, you see?
Where, down there?
Yeah, go down the corner.
Yeah.
You want to see me play domino?
Okay.
Name Bogart to the world, man, you see?
Where name Bogart? Bogart to
you see?
Bogart to the world. So this is what Bogart is doing right now.
Yeah, Bogart is flying now.
Yes.
But when you come and say, no, we can't do work and have everything there over me. Now get shit and over clean it off me.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I do.
So you clean it up, so we're going to spray it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't like glory. That means they look over in heaven.
Heaven, true. Because remember the birds, them, you know.
Yeah, birds.
You know, with nature.
Like nature look.
Nature look. So when you go stand and look up now, you're like, oh, look like on the sky.
Yeah. It is, I'll say,
High sky.
I empty place and look for the world we don't live.
Yes.
I will spirit in and I dance the spirit of it. People really slow the effect.
So all of these murals, yeah, what it represent?
Alright, so I draw Chi-Chi and each and I leave them, I go represent a company or a branch.
Okay.
There are 6 some picture, but set side I leave them. Yeah, man, set side I leave.
Yeah.
That means when you look and say downtown, everything by downtown or foreigner, everyone I leave.
So everything will represent for something.
A 100 leave Nigeria. A Chi-Chi alone give me for China.
Yeah, tree.
I said, no man, Chi-Chi alone now look up on front page. I mean I put up RT.
Yeah.
With a one Jamaica parrot.
Of course.
With a long time boat.
Of course.
And put a doctor bird.
Yeah.
Put up the nature thing, you see. Put a look for one sunshine.
Creative.
And the 5th element I give them, you see.
Creative.
The water, the sun. Earth and
so my pass back here is going to look so wonderful, as you can see, guys. Yeah. And looking nice already.
Alright.
Yes.
My own in Jamaica nice.
Jamaica nice.
Yeah.
And it down that side.
Yeah, when play the car, I look and say, man, I play domino.
Yeah.
Man, I play football. Man, all bad things.
So I have to go check it out then.
Yeah, man.
Booga. Booga.
Yeah, B-U-G-H-A-R-T, you see?
Yeah, Bogart.
I know people say the name Bogart and I play our party here. As I look at boy say the name Bogart, I want to know how come.
So what the name represent?
No, my father is Uncle Bogart. And when I look at people, my father I call Uncle Bogart. And to let's go to me, say to my father, I say, you can't be name Bogart with you, I start writing name. Before I leave Earth and write them there, so I represent.
Represent, see him.
Yeah, say here.
Cool, nice.
And I play by St. Thomas and Niggle Pine. I made a spring break, I made the Rebel Tea sound, Stone Love sound. All the box of the logo, them, I made that. Alaska, Teflon, Van St. Mary, the whole of the sound, them, whole of the world sound. Mighty Crown, Jam One.
So the world shall know.
Yep. They know already, man.
Shall know.
Let's go back Kingston Creative and type in Bogart, man.
And you find it. Kingston Creative.
Yeah.
You find
See
it.
the thing, man. The art district, man, Kingston Creative. One downtown, you see?
Yeah. So I go walk and check and see if I see the one we do here then.
I go in the corner, man. It's not good. Never saw that. Never saw that.
Never saw him, man.
Yeah. Because I see me. When I love flowers, I want flowers. I can live right here. Yeah, really flowers.
Alright, Bogart, yeah? We go walk and fall. Yeah, man, so that is Bogart artwork, you know, very creative. Like you can see Jamaicans are very creative, so that is artist Bogart. And there's a lot of artwork down here, you know, there are a lot of murals that make the place look so unique, you know. Look at even this, Junior Moore, you know, Kingston Creative. So if you can search Kingston Creative, you will find most of the names them of who the artists them as well too. In Kingston Creative of the artwork, you know, and checking out the flooring as well too, you know, everything. So creative. Wow. This does make Jamaica look so beautiful. Take pride in Jamaica, you know, as you can see. Lots of artwork, see them here. So guys, so you see that? We have to take pride in Jamaica. Have to take pride in Jamaica. So let me catch that sign. It's called Take Pride in Jamaica. You know, take pride in Jamaica, that is it. We have to take pride in Jamaica. So Jamaica nice, that's the one he's talking about. So this is what he's talking about. So this is what he done, Bogart. You didn't see the name there, Bogart. Jamaica nice, one love with the man them playing dominoes and everything. So the man that I was speaking to, this is the word that he done. Beautiful. Yeah, see it there, Bogart. So that's his contact number if you're interested. That's the contact number there, and this go all the way up as well too. So I like the way them trying to make up downtown look as well. So across there is Water Lane as well too. Wow, beautiful Jamaica. So nice. Jamaica nice, so nice. Nice, so nice. say imagine the whole of Jamaica can just look like how water lane look, murals. So tropical, so beautiful. You know, nothing but love. Man, the news put in the works. Steakhouse. Harbour Street.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.